Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anusha Shamim and our group topic experiment is to calculate the enzyme activity of catalase present in rabbit blood sample, and I cover the results of enzyme activity of catalase present in rabbit blood sample. So सबसे पहले मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी कि enzyme होता क्या है. So basically enzymes are generally protein in nature. They act as catalyst. They speed up the rate of reaction. They have biosynthetic abilities, जिसका मतलब ये है कि वो organisms में बनते हैं. Now I tell you about catalase enzyme. Catalase enzyme is one of the fastest enzymes in the cells that used for detoxify या फिर remove करने के लिए यूज़ होता है किसको, हाइड्रोजन peroxide from the cell, जिसके नतीजे में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बनता है और मॉलिक्यूलर ऑक्सीजन भी बनता है, as you can see in this figure reaction. Now move towards the catalase test and its result. So after doing experiment in rabbit blood sample, if the catalase enzyme present in the sample of organism, visible bubbles product produced होने लगते हैं, but अगर catalase enzyme present नहीं है तो bubble observe नहीं होंगे, जिससे हमें ये results observe होते हैं कि the reading calculated above and its value is 132.5 micromole. High amount of hydrogen sulfate is used in the control and its value is greater than the test reading that is 0.3 and the test reading is 0.2. So the above experiment indicated that this contained catalase activity measured by standard curve. Also catalase activity was higher in rabbit than in domestic animals and about half of the activity of human erythrocytes. Rabbit seminal plasma catalase is much higher than in the semen of other mammals. Further, I want to tell that the experiment shows that the female rabbits have lower hematocrit and catalase value than the males. Now, the disease related to catalase enzyme. जैसे कि हमें मालूम है कि कैटलेस कन्वर्ट करता है हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड को, जो कि एक टॉक्सिक कंपाउंड है. सो दिस कैटलेस malfunction, this enzyme's malfunction leads to lot of multiple diseases like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, hypertension, osteonecrosis. And basically osteonecrosis क्या होता है? It is the condition in which there is a loss of blood flow from to bone tissues, and also many disease caused by the low level of catalase enzyme, which is known as acatalecemia. Example: bipolar disorder, Alzheimer's disease, asthma, etc. Now I want to tell that biochemical importance of catalase enzyme. Catalase is one of the first in every realm of biological sciences. At the same time, it has a number of unusual features. The purpose of catalase in living cells is to protect them from oxidative damage, which can occur when cells or other molecules in the body come into contact with oxidative compounds, so they play an important role. फूड इंडस्ट्री में भी हेल्पफुल होता है कैटलेस एंजाइम, किस लिए? बेवरेजेस को बनाने के लिए और फूड की प्रिजर्वेशन के लिए. और टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में भी हेल्पफुल होता है. कैटलिस्ट इज़ यूज टू रिमूव हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड फ्रॉम द टेक्सटाइल फैब्रिक एंड thus ensure that the finished products don't contain peroxide. It also helps in differentiating aerobic and obligate anaerobic bacteria. Thank you.